Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to add Snapchat filter to pictures, which means if you want to add a Snapchat filter to any of the picture you have saved in your device, then how you can do that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the Snapchat. After that, you have to open any of the snap you have saved in your device. After that, you have to simply click on the three dots here. If you click on that, this kind of interface will appear, so you have to click on edit snap here. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on this search icon here. If you click on that, then you will find many of the filters option here. So you have to select any of the filter you want to apply on that picture. In this way you can use any of the filter on that picture, and after that you can simply click on export and that picture will be saved as. For example, if you want to save that, you have to simply click on the download option and that picture will be saved in your gallery as a new picture on which Snapchat filter has applied. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel.